So when I started trading, I was looking for like the best strategy that I can use to make money in the market. Like I was going in and out of each and every video on YouTube trying to find like the 100% winning strategy in the market. But I never found the best winning strategy in the market until I realized that there was no 100% winning strategy out there. So today I want to share with you a simple technique that I started using when I started trading the forex market, when I started seeing some profits in my market. So the simple technique that I want to show you here is using one indicator only, because one of the biggest problems that people do when they try to find best strategies is they want to overcomplicate things, and you put like 7 indicators on your charts. You start doing drawing lines all over the charts, and you start winning and start closing up all the charts, and now you end up not seeing any opportunities coming in your way. So today I want to show you how to only trade with one indicator and make maximum profits, or to maximize your profit chances. So the indicator that we are going to use here is the 21 period moving average. I'm just going to type in 21 period moving average, method exponential, apply to close, and then you are going to put the style to any color that you want. You can do this on your phone or on your computer, then you click OK. So after you see this, you are going to see that there's going to be a line which crosses on and over and below of the market, right? So what you want to do here, this line here shows you the trend of the market. So what this moving average does is it works to give you the trend direction, and also it works to give you support and resistance. So what you want to do here is, when you see the market crossing below the moving average, you just want to see a candle which comes to the moving average, and then it creates a wick that goes into the moving average, but the body doesn't go into the moving average, and then you see that candle closing below that moving average again. So in this case here, you can see the market crossed over at this point right here, right? And then what is the next thing you see is this candle right here. As you can see, this candle was below the moving average right here. The wick touches the 21 period moving average, and then but the body of the candle didn't go into the moving average right there. Once you see this, you want to just sell at that point right here. So I would sell at that point right here, and I will put this to a bigger color so that you can see this. So I will sell at this point right here, and then I will put my take profits above that wick of that candle. So in this first example that I showed you here, you would have maybe lost this trade because of this another candle here, but as you can see, the market moved all the way down, but there's no strategy that's gonna win 100%. So here's another example that was a good winner. You can see from this point the market moved all the way down below the 21 EMA. So when the market moves below the 21 EMA, it pulls back into the EMA again, and when it touches the EMA line, what is the next thing you see? You can see that the market created a wick. The wick touched the EMA, but the body never went onto the EMA, and then the candle closed below the EMA. So what you want to do here is you want to sell, and you put your stop loss above that candle, and then your take profit should be 2 to 1, 3 to 1, or 4 to 1 risk to reward ratio. I would recommend you to just do 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So that's how you place your trades with this strategy. When you see the moving average, now the market moves below, and now it pulls back into the moving average right there. You can see here it created a candle which comes to the moving average, it closes below. You are going to sell here. You are going to sell at this point, put your stop loss here, which was going to be hit by the next candle. But remember, you are doing 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Here you can see the market moved below the moving average, now pulls back. The candle came here, the wick came into the moving average, as you can see, and you put your stop loss right here. You enter at this point. This is a sell order again, because we are still going down, and to 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio, this was going to be a winning trade right there. So when I started trading, and I started realizing that okay, I can make money by doing simple things in the market rather than trying to get like the complicated stuff right here. It makes things easier for you. Here's another example here. The market moves below the E21 EMA. Now it pulls back into the 21 EMA again at this point, and when it reaches the 21 EMA, you can see there's a candle which have a wick which went on into the 21 EMA, but the candle body didn't close above the EMA. So you put your sell order here, and then your stop loss right there. Your take profit should be 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So you keep doing that, and you realize that the lesser you do, the better in the market. So that's how I changed the way I was trading. I started doing less things, like focusing on support and resistance, and like focusing only on major levels of structure. So it makes things easier for you if you use a simple strategy like this to trade in the market. Here's another example. The last one that I'm going to show you here is the market was moving up above the 21 EMA. It makes a pullback, and then you have a wick which touches the 21 EMA right there, and then you buy, you put your stop loss there, and then you take profit 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. In this case, you would make money as fast as possible. Here's another winning example here, where the market was moving below the 21 EMA. It moves again back into the 21 EMA. You can see the candle which created a wick which touched the 21 EMA, and then you can see a stop loss here. You put your stop loss there, you sell right there, you put your stop loss above this wick, and then your take profit should be 2 to 1 risk to a reward ratio. And if that happens, you are going to make money in the market. So this is the simple strategy that I started using, and I started dramatically changing the way that my account was looking at, because I was now able to get some good winning trades. So those losing trades that I was getting was now being covered up by the winning trades. So that's how you trade in the market as a beginner. It's very easy. Just you need to use one strategy, one indicator, just like this. So do you enjoy watching this kind of videos? If you do, make sure you smash that like button, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.